This video is in response to Crichton. He posted a video, "Do you ride in the rain?" Well, as you can see in the video, I do ride in the rain. If it's pouring ass rain when I leave home, then I'll take the van or something, but on this day it didn't look too bad. It was cloudy, but halfway to work it started to pour. I think the longest day I've spent in the rain was when I did my East Coast trip in Canada, Nova Scotia, Newfoundland, all that area. I think in the total we spent 3 days, 3 12-hour days, 3 long days in the pouring rain. And we'd get in at night and we'd be just shivering and we'd be freezing, and it was, them couple days were hell. The whole trip overall was really nice, but yeah, them couple days, man, holy crap. When you're soaking wet and you're cold, and you're getting into your motel at midnight, not much fun. Anyway, this is just some video response to Crichton. He's a pretty cool YouTuber. I like his stuff, so I thought I'd send him back a message and a video. And I'll post his link to his video in the description. And speaking of YouTubers, I also watch Freedom Rider. He posted a video there not very long ago. It was about a prison in the Connecticut area. I really enjoyed that video, so I just wanted to give him a shout out. I'll post that in the description as well. Any of you guys like history and you like old stone foundations and that kind of stuff, you're gonna love this. He did an awesome job, so I just wanted to mention it. Freedom Rider, I really like that video. I've watched it twice now, so I know, I guess when I rewatch it, it doesn't add up your counter, but really enjoyed the video. Anyway, this video here was one I recorded earlier in the week. It was pouring rain, so I didn't want to have my GoPro in the case with the mic plugged on the side, so I tried to record on my cell phone the audio, and oh well, it didn't work out too well, so, but anyway, I give it a try. What the heck. So now I'm just doing the voiceover. Hope you guys don't mind that, but yeah, it still shows me riding in the rain. Still shows you know what it's like. You're getting the spray off the cars, you're getting the rain, and then of course the next day you gotta wash the bike. It's all full of filth and dirt and road crap and grime, all that kind of stuff. Anyway guys, I'll let you go there and take care. Ride safe. Talk to you later guys. Take it easy. Bye bye.